What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I put together these welcome baggies slash hangover kits for my bridesmaids for my bachelorette. I got a lot of requests under our DIY proposal boxes to share more wedding things, so here I am sharing as promised. These can be stuffed and made however you like, so just get creative with it, and this video will be real short and sweet. I'm just showing you guys what I put in my baggies and how I made these personalized tumblers for my girls. Now, I found these on Amazon because Amazon is the world of all things, and I think they're really cute. Skinny tumblers that come with 2 sets of straws, a glass clear-like straw, and a clear glass-like straw, and then that typical foggy straw. And then if you watched my proposal box video, you would have saw I have a coworker that makes decals, and I reached out to her again to get these made for these tumblers. I'll leave the measurements we decided on down below. Of course, I had to do mine first because I was too excited. So just peel off the back and stick the sticker on, wash them gently, don't put them in the dishwasher or anything like that, and you'll be good to go. The longevity is pretty good. I'll leave all of her information down below, or you can go to my last video and find her information there as well. If you want to see more videos like this from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, girl. The wedding is right around the corner. Wedding day is like 84 days out, girl, so join the gang. More videos are coming, I promise. All right, y'all, so as you can see, I have 7 bridesmaids, including my maid of honor, and I absolutely love how these tumblers came out. This was more cost effective than buying them already pre-made on like Etsy or something, and they are really great quality. You cannot beat the price. Love them. Moving on to our baggies, I found these Teen Bride baggies in the dollar spot at Target. I went to Sephora and grabbed a couple of face sheet masks because we're gonna need them. Of course, it is still Corona season, so I grabbed a couple of individually wrapped masks, some hydration packets, and of course we need Advil. To top it off, I got them some personalized shot glasses. Now these I did purchase off Etsy because they were cost effective and they came out really cute. Okay, so for each bag, I basically just put 2 face masks, a sheet mask, a couple of hydration packets, a couple of Advil packets, their personalized shot glass, and of course, because we were going to Mexico, because we're going to get lit, I dropped a Casamigos mini shot in there. I figured we could all take a shot when we pull up, you know, welcome to the party, welcome to a lit weekend. So yeah, that's what I did. I stuffed all the bags with the same thing. No one got more than the other, and I really loved how they turned out. All right, y'all, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got some type of inspo from this video. Remember, you can remix these bags however you like. Be sure to follow me on Instagram so you can see all the Bachelorette shenanigans, all the partying. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment down below on where you went for your Bachelorette, if you're planning a Bachelorette, if you're planning a wedding, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.